When troubleshooting Wi-Fi issues on your CaptionCall phone, start by closing any phone error messages by pressing OK. Then press Settings along the left side of the screen. Under Wireless Network Settings, make sure your wireless is turned on by pressing On. Next, select the SSID or network name that corresponds to your home network. If there is a password in the network key space, you will need to delete it and then enter in your network or Wi-Fi password. Passwords are case sensitive. Press Save in the upper left-hand corner on the screen. Wait a full minute for the phone to reconnect. Hopefully these instructions solved your Wi-Fi woes, but if not, CaptionCall is here to help. You can contact our customer team toll-free at 1-877-557-2227 or email us at support@captioncall.com.